Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we are back with another 2018 Mustang video. Apologies that it's been a little while since I've done an update video with the car. I have been meaning to do this exhaust video for a long time, but the terrible weather in Michigan has obviously slowed that down, and also I was trying to figure out how to get this audio recording to be as accurate as possible, which is proving to be very difficult. When you put a microphone right next to an exhaust, it's going to be very loud. So disclaimer, the audio in this video is not 100% accurate to what you will maybe hear from your ears or hear from other cameras or your phone possibly, but it sounds good and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you are looking at the 2018 Mustang and you are not sure about the active exhaust system, or maybe you're not even looking at all and you just like hearing the sounds of V8s, here you go. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run you through the microphone setup, and then I am just going to take the car for a drive. I'm gonna run it through normal, sport and track mode. We're not gonna worry about quiet mode because, let's be serious, if you own this car, you don't care about quiet mode. It is also very cold outside and there is snow on the ground, so as you will see now, the car does not hook. Without further ado, I know you guys don't want to listen to my voice, we are just going to listen to the sweet sound of a 2018 Mustang with the active exhaust, so let's go.
Here she is. If you're interested in knowing what the spec is on my 2018 Mustang, make sure to head over to my other video that I filmed with this when I first got it. It is disgusting right now. I'm not going to clean it, it's winter. And I know people are going to complain, oh, why are you driving it in the snow? This is my daily. Please excuse the crappy audio. I had to take the microphone off, obviously, to stick it on here. It is suction cupped with a GoPro suction mount on the back of the car. And from close to the exhaust, I have it on -10 decibels. Probably means nothing to anybody. And then I have a cable running through here to the rear window where the camera is mounted. So yeah, let's go. It's cold. Fahrenheit, so that's a good contributing factor to why it won't hook. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to let me know in the comments or anything that I could improve on. And once spring comes around, or actually I'm going out south next week, if it's warmer down there and I'm able to get the car to hook, maybe we'll do this again. But let me know what you guys think. Not sure if it looked like it, but I actually got up to 5th gear before this thing bogged out then. That's pretty decent. I feel sorry for my transmission.
So there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know what you think about the exhaust. I know that the audio was not accurate at all. It was actually way off. I'm not a professional audio recorder. If you have any advice for how I could record better audio, I will do this again. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I am now actually in the south, so I have much better weather. It's warmer, so I will hopefully soon be able to go do this again and also do the full review on the car, because I've had the chance to really get to grips with it, figure it all out, and yeah, kind of get used to it. But a lot of people are going to say that this active exhaust is not worth the money. It's a $900 option, but this is why it is worth the money, because to have that from the factory for only $900, comparable to the aftermarket, there is only one exhaust system that I know of that does a similar thing, and that is the Roush active exhaust system. And I'm not saying that that's a bad exhaust. It is a great exhaust because I have used it and I have heard it and drove it before, and it sounds great. But it is a $2,500 exhaust, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. So to have this option for $900, I think it is really great. You obviously have the really quiet mode on one end, which we didn't cover in this video because who cares, and the really loud mode on the other end, and then the modes in between are basically the valves open up based off of pressure on the gas, which I think is a really cool thing. And if you're not completely happy with the sound, you can tune it a little bit, and I would honestly recommend putting an X-pipe on the car. Even a Corsa double X-pipe would sound insane on this system, and I think that that would really change maybe the note of the exhaust. Personally for me, stock, it's a little bit monotone right through from lower RPMs up to higher RPMs, but with an X-pipe I really think that would change it up, and I prefer kind of like a more raspy sound, so that is maybe something that I'm considering in the future. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the sounds of the exhaust. I am definitely going to do this again and try and do it better, but if you guys have any advice, that would really help. And we will have more content coming soon, not only on the 2018 Mustang, but also with all of my other videos, all of my other projects that I have going on. I have some exciting things coming up because I'm now no longer living in Detroit, so I'm avoiding the winter, and I am down in Memphis right now. I'll be down in Louisiana. I'm hopefully making it out to Texas real soon, Florida, Atlanta, a bunch of cool things. So if you guys live around those areas and you want me to come shoot your car, for those of you guys know what I do. If you don't know what I do, please check out my channel and look at some of my cinematic videos. This is what I do for a living, and yeah, I am traveling around a little bit at the moment, avoiding winter and trying to get some really great projects under my belt. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you again soon. Bye.